Page 68, Piano Concerto No. 5, the Emperor Concerto. This is a theme in the second movement. Says cut time, but for the purpose of talking about it in this video, I'm going to pretend it's in 4/4 time. No sharps or flats except for some accidentals. One hand at a time here. Slowly. This is a very slow movement, which is kind of relief because the last few pieces we've done are all fast. Then come up. Try and figure this part legato. You can lift up here and go up. Connect the top note. That's what I do, a 1-3, a 2-4. And then here, and a 2-4 and 1-5. Just to connect them, and then come up. I hope this rhythm isn't a problem for you. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. Left hand, keep the left hand out of the way, it's here. 5-2 and then here. Play it as legato as you can. You can't really, but do what you can. And it's 4-1 here. Try and get all these notes down at the same time. Third measure over. 5-2. Connect them. Try and connect the top note. You can't connect the bottom note. Then third line. So fourth. Do the best you can with it. The pedal will help out, but we want to do it as legato with the fingers as we can. Then put the hands together very slowly. Connect it. Connect it. Rest. 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 Same thing an octave higher. Come back down. Fifth finger on that. And then 1-3. I want to connect it. Sort of like it's all pretty much legato. You can lift up and follow the slurs in the right hand, but try and keep the left hand legato throughout as best you can, except for the rests. It's like in the first line, the second measure, you lift up the right hand, keep the left hand down. The right hand, but keep the left hand down. You got to move the left hand, but we don't want a big break in there. And here you're lifting up the right hand, but not the left. And there's both hands. But follow the phrasing. Dynamic-wise, this is a gentle piece. And this is the top note in the right hand. That's sort of soft. Everything else has to be very soft. Now you're going to crescendo to here and come back down. Second line, crescendo a little bit. There. That crescendo to there. Then come back down. Bring out the top note in the right hand if you can. This is sort of loud. Rest. And it ends very softly and very gently. The right hand. The left hand is super soft here. We need to connect this together. So we're going to use pedal to connect it because of all these chords and all, and we want to add overtones and make it all mushy and things. Ooh. So we'll add pedal. It's legato pedal and lagging pedal or overlapping pedal. So I'll push the notes down and then the pedal. And when I change the pedal, I do it after I play the notes, not with them. So at the beginning, push the notes down and then the pedal. And then change it after I play the notes. Now I'm lifting the pedal with the right hand because I want to hear a phrase. And again, lift the pedal at the end with the hand so there's a phrase. Here, I don't know about this phrasing they've got going on here in the second line. I tend to want to connect all this. Because it's in the middle of that swell. Do I really want silence right in the middle of a swell? Do I get a little louder? Here, then come back down. No pedal on the single note. And on these notes, I push the pedal down right after I play the chord, and I lift it right after I play the next chord. All I'm doing is connecting the chords. So it's again, I'm just connecting the chords. Here. I'm not pedaling this third line down, second measure. The third beat, I'm not pedaling that. So that measure is here, here. And I don't pedal the last measure of the third line at all. Just follow their pedaling here is actually nice. Now we're pedaling at the end because we want the overtones. Keep this super soft in the left hand. We want to hear that C throughout the whole thing on the end. I want to hear that C above everything. Then the speed is adagio un poco mosso, which is slow with a little motion. They haven't cut time. I don't know why it's in cut time here. I feel this in a 4, because a cut time you'd feel it in sort of a 2. 1, it could be a slow. 1 and 2. Maybe a slower 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Rest, 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 rest. They have a mezzo forte at the third line and they don't give you any other dynamics. My feeling is to finish this a little on the softer side. Listen to the recording and what is the dynamics at the end? Are they ending this sort of loud, or does it come off softly? My urge is to end it softly and gently. And then the pedal and the hands all come up at the same time. It's up to you on the dynamics. Just they're a general guide here. You'd have to go listen to the real thing on the dynamics and see what are they doing here.